What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are doing a goop build. We are making a restaurant. I'm gonna call it Jalbeno's because Jalbeno is my name. No, it's not Jalbino, it's Jalbeno, if you're wondering. But yeah, let's go make it. To the warehouse! And here we are, with all the goop building equipment. Let me just get rid of my weird, actually no. I'll keep this for my restaurant base. Okay, so this I made a few days ago, but then, it was my restaurant base. But then I had to go to bed. It was really late. So yeah, that happened. We can put a plank here. I call it a wood link. That's what they call it in the Goop machine. But there is, so it won't be the biggest problem in the world, but like nobody likes gaps. God, my hand is so shaky. Okay. Now we finished all the walls. This is going to be where you buy the food.
Yeah, but I'm still eating.
You don't actually buy it, you just, like, take it. It's free. Because there's no, like, way you can give money to people in Animal Company. Yeah! Yes, I was going to eat some broth. So that way I can put it on more easily. Or is it easier, not more easily? I don't know.
Oh my god, bro.
Yes.
Oh hell.
We might need a few more. Bro, my headset is low. I don't know why my headset is going down so fast today.
Edit? It's totally not because I was playing Bone Lab and crashed my game like 7 times.
I don't really like that. I kind of like this more. Let's eat more broccoli. And let's stick it to the top. I think that'll look better. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. There you go. It's like, if you play Bone Lab and you use mods, you would know how, like, when you press I understand and I accept, it goes like, there you go.
There you go.
I might need another one too. God, I'm getting so big. Okay. It's giving like grannies when they're like, oh, you've gotten so big, darling. Oh my god. Is this gonna work or not? Really thought this was a listening piece of goop. If you know, you know. There's nothing to know. Oh. Well, that just happened. Okay. What the? Man, why is it so heavy? Okay. My restaurant is finished.
No, yeah, give me free food.
Save it first. No,
la cheese tortilla.
we don't need this one anymore. Was it like, it was like this. Okay, let's go inside. And add, like, well, this isn't really a restaurant, it's more like a food truck.
You stupid! Make it what you think.
Now we need to add some food.
Yeah, but I'm still eating.
I want some beans. And we need, of course, a burrito.
Yo, no way, not bro. Give me that.
Okay, I think that's good for now. We better save it. Wood land can panto.
I think Burrow made a new language. Oh my.
He's like, I would like a burrito and an MRE.
And I'm like, okay, I got you. Here. And now I just run out. Let's go.